Have you ever wondered what makes us who we are? The human body is a complex, awe-inspiring machine made up of trillions of tiny cells working together in harmony. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey, from the smallest unit of life to the intricate systems that keep us alive. Let's explore the human body, from cells to systems. 1. The foundation, cells. The human body is made up of roughly 37 trillion cells. Each cell is like a miniature factory, carrying out essential tasks to keep us functioning. From nerve cells transmitting signals to muscle cells enabling movement, every cell plays a unique role. Cells are grouped into 4 primary types. Epithelial cells cover surfaces and protect our organs. Connective tissue cells provide structure and support. Muscle cells enable movement. Nerve cells process and transmit information. Inside the cell, the nucleus acts as the control center, holding our genetic blueprint, DNA. The mitochondria produce energy, earning the nickname the powerhouse of the cell. Without these tiny powerhouses, life as we know it wouldn't exist. 2. From cells to tissues. Groups of specialized cells form tissues, the next level of biological organization. The 4 main types of tissues include epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscle tissue, nervous tissue. These tissues combine to create organs, each with a specific function in the body. 3. The organs and their roles. Our bodies contain over 78 organs, but some play a more crucial role than others. The heart pumps blood, the lungs take in oxygen, the brain controls thoughts and movements, and the liver detoxifies harmful substances. These organs don't work alone. They are part of interconnected systems. 4. The body systems, a harmonious network. Now, let's connect the dots. The human body consists of 11 major systems, each performing a vital role. The circulatory system, the heart, blood vessels, and blood work together to transport oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. The respiratory system, the lungs bring in oxygen and expel carbon dioxide. The digestive system, organs like the stomach and intestines break down food for energy. The nervous system, the brain, spinal cord, and nerves send and receive messages, controlling all body functions. The muscular system, over 600 muscles work together to create movement. The skeletal system, 206 bones provide structure and protection. The endocrine system, glands like the thyroid and pancreas release hormones to regulate body functions. The immune system, white blood cells and lymph nodes protect against disease. The urinary system, the kidneys and bladder remove waste from the body. The reproductive system, essential for producing offspring and continuing life. The integumentary system, the skin, hair, and nails protect the body from the outside world. Each system is interconnected. One cannot function without the others. The heart needs oxygen from the lungs. The brain relies on nutrients from the digestive system, and the immune system depends on the bloodstream to transport protective cells. 5. The human body's amazing capabilities. Our body is more than just a collection of systems. It is a masterpiece of biological engineering. Did you know? The human brain can process 11 million pieces of information per second. The heart beats 100,000 times a day, pumping 5 liters of blood every minute. The human skeleton completely regenerates itself every 10 years. Our skin sheds 35,000 dead cells per minute, constantly renewing itself. From a single microscopic cell to a fully functioning human being, our body is a miracle of nature. Understanding its complexity helps us appreciate the importance of health, nutrition, and self-care. So next time you move, breathe, think, or feel, remember, you are witnessing a biological masterpiece in action.